Hello again, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take on the challenge of try and revamp my 4C hair and make it into Afro. It is almost like an Afro right now, but I'm going to just try and revamp it with just water. Do you think water alone, without using any products at all, could get my hair revamped into a beautiful Afro hairstyle? Let's see. So we're gonna just get right into the video, and we're not gonna use any products at all. We're just gonna use just pure water. I have my spray bottle here, just water, and let's see if I can shrink this baby down and get it into a beautiful Afro. So stay tuned. Let's do this. there you have it, guys. Just a new look, different look. If you want to rock your afro, I mean, you need some earrings. You know, you could put some hoop earrings in your heels, your jeans, and you know, you're going out into town and you really feel in yourself and you feel confident enough to rock this ear. Then, girls, you know you got it, right? So, this is just simply water, and if I wanted, I could put more water and just keep shrinking it down and getting it shorter and shorter. So this is how the black girl roll. Our hair so flexible. I mean, we can get it lengthen, and we can get it shrink to do our real afro like a real sister, right? I love this. I just gonna put my earrings in and see how it looks. Wow. Yeah, girl. So you just step out in town. Yeah. Do your thing. Yes, guys. So, yes, I just installed my earrings, and you could put some drop earrings. I think maybe I could use some longer ones. And yeah, you could rock this to work, you could rock this to church. I mean, you could rock this in town. You know, you want to go out, you know, just on a date, and you want to showcase your natural self. Because for me, I like to show my natural side first, you know. So I really love this. You know, you just use the water, spritz it down, and get it short to the size that you want. You can make it big, you know, you can make it smaller if you want to just keep spraying your water and patting it down. And yeah, very cutesy. Okay, guys, so yeah, we did it. You know, this challenge is, I mean, our hair is superb, you know. 4C girls, don't, you know, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Showcase all the different styles that you can pop up with your hair, and it's very flexible. When you're ready to straighten it out, you can get it straight again, you can get it coily, and so on. So there you have it. This is the real, you know, real deal with the Afro style. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and tell me what you think about this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.